How to delete call entry from calls in WhatsApp on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version. So just go to the Play Store application and search for the app and make sure that it is updated to its latest version. Now as you can see, there's no update option, so I'm just going to tap on open because it is updated to its latest version. So after going to my profile, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on calls, which is at the bottom right section of the screen. Tap on that and you can see your call logs. So what you are going to do is we're going to tap on the contact that you want to delete the call entry for. So I'm just going to tap a random call. I'm going to tap on that call and then you can see the option of delete at the top right corner of the screen. So just tap on that and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.